Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off lock screen notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To turn off this option, we have to go to Settings, then Notifications menu, and here we have our lock screen notifications. By default, it's turned on. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box right here. As you can see, we have a little pop-up menu right here. So, what does it do? This will turn off notifications on both the lock screen and the cover screen, even if you turn on notifications in cover screen settings. So, this function takes priority over our accessories and other screens. Now our notifications, lock screen notifications are turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.